Hey guys, welcome back to Vibe with Gloria. So quick question. Have you ever tried to upload a fine video or picture on your WhatsApp status, and once it just uploads, the quality will just disappear? Like that thing can be very painful. But don't you worry, I'm here to show you a solution to that problem. Whether you're a beginner on WhatsApp, you're just using WhatsApp, or you've been using WhatsApp for long, I'm here to show you how to upload quality videos and pictures on your WhatsApp status without losing its quality. So stick around, don't go anywhere. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the normal way most people upload, the one we all know, the process that we are used to. You open WhatsApp, you go to status, you click the camera icon, you select the photo or the video you want to upload. You maybe add text or emoji, then you post it. But once it uploads, it looks very blurry or dull. That's because WhatsApp automatically compresses the file to save space and to make it load faster, because of those people that have slow network or data, you understand. If you look at it, generally it makes sense, but it's frustrating because why will I upload a video and it's not clear for other people to view? Come on, if you look at it, but there are smart ways around it. That's why I'll be sharing with you 3 methods on how to fix that issue. Pay close attention to this first method I'm about to introduce to you guys, because it is very important you understand every detail, every point I'm making in this first method. The first thing you're supposed to do is to save your number. Yes, you heard me. Save your phone number. The number that you use in creating that WhatsApp on your phone, save it on your contact list. That's the first thing you should do. Then the next thing you should do after saving your number is send a message to yourself. Confirm that that number you save is appearing on your WhatsApp contact list. Then you send a message to yourself, because you will see it there. It can automatically save as my number there, but if it's not saved, you can save it yourself. Once you confirm it, send a DM to yourself, send a message to yourself on WhatsApp. Once that is done, the next thing you are supposed to do is that image or video that you want to upload on your WhatsApp status, send it to yourself. Tap on, don't send it normal gallery and process. Send it via document. You see this plus sign below, you tap on it just like you're sending a file or a picture. You will see different options. See camera, photos, document, location, and the rest. You tap on document. Once you tap on document, not normal gallery, don't use the normal process. You tap on the document, then you see choose from files, choose from photo or video, scan document. You're going to tap on choose photo or video. Once you choose the photo or video, you select that video or picture you intend uploading on your WhatsApp status. Once you select it, whichever one, once you select it, you press next. Then you send it to yourself on your DM. Once that is done, that image that you sent to yourself, that picture you sent to yourself on your own DM, you open it and you save it again. You are going to save it again, not the one that has been previously saved on your phone. No, that's one that you sent yourself on your DM. You're going to save it again. Once you've saved that image or video again on your phone, that is now the image or video that you are going to upload on your status. You are not going to use that one that has been saved already on your phone before. No. Why is that? Why are we going to use this one that we just saved? Because it's already compressed, and document helps to retain the quality. WhatsApp will not compress it again while you are uploading it on your status. No, it's going to be clear. It's not going to be blurry. It's going to be the way it is. So that's for the first step. Or if you don't want to save the image again, or maybe to confuse you, you think that is the first one that was on your phone before, you will not know which one you just saved, and there are 2 of same pictures to upload. You open the image. Once you open the image, that arrow sign, that arrow sign where you saw the option to save, you will also see the option to share. You understand? So you share it to your WhatsApp application. You see your WhatsApp application among the options. You share it, then you share it your status directly from there. You understand? You don't need to save again, and the picture quality will be retained. It will not be compressed again. Trust me, it is working 100%. It will not be compressed. It will not be blurry. It will be very clear for your audience to view it perfectly. The second method is using an image resizer app before you upload on your WhatsApp status. Yes, before uploading, you can download free image resizer apps like Photo Resizer or Lit Photo Compressor for Android users. Yes, it is free. You don't have to get any paid version. You can use it for free. Before you upload, you open the app, you resize the photo to around 1080 by 1920 for vertical photos, because that's WhatsApp ID resolution for uploading images on your status. Understand? This way you reduce the file yourself and WhatsApp will not compress it again, because you're already using their official ID resolution that they compress it to before uploading. So they will not need to compress it again. And while you're using that app to resize it yourself or to compress it yourself, the quality will be retained and WhatsApp will not reduce the quality when you upload it. So it's as easy as that. The third method is using WhatsApp Web or GB WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp Web, that's people that operate their WhatsApp from their computers, your laptop or your computer. Uploading from your computer to your WhatsApp status keeps the quality sharper. It's different from operating WhatsApp from your smartphone. It keeps the quality sharper. Also, third-party apps like GB WhatsApp, they don't compress the media, but I don't fully recommend them because they are not official and it could risk your account. So WhatsApp Web is a better option. If you have a system, you have a computer and you operate your WhatsApp from there, you can operate your WhatsApp from there. You can upload your WhatsApp status from your computer and to retain the quality of the video or the image you are uploading on your WhatsApp status. Here are some final tips to put into consideration while uploading your WhatsApp status. Firstly, always shoot your videos in bright lights. Don't shoot your videos in dark environments. If you want to shoot it outside, it's okay. If you want to shoot it indoors, make sure you use good lighting before you shoot your videos or you take your pictures. Secondly, avoid zooming before you record your video or you take your pictures. Zooming reduces the quality of your video or pictures, even if you use the three methods I outlined for you. Avoid zooming. Thirdly, try using professional editing apps like InShot or CapCut before you upload, and export them in HD. If you want to edit your videos, if it's a video that you want to edit, please try using professional editing apps like InShot or CapCut and export it in HD before you upload. So guys, don't forget to like, share, drop your questions and thoughts in the comment section, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted on our next video. See you next time.